Hi, Terry Rasmussen with the Rasmussen Group at John L. Scott Real Estate. I have with me here today Tamara Rogers with Willamette Valley Bank. And Tamara, you've been in the business here doing mortgage lending for what? 15 years? 15 years?
Yes.
Okay.
Long time.
And I met you before that when you were an escrow officer.
Right.
And that's one thing I've enjoyed working with you is because you know two sides of the business. And it's not just mortgage, you also understand the closing side of real estate as well.
Correct.
So that's been very
takes a
handy.
team.
Yes. Which I actually came out of escrow as well,
right.
The title and escrow business. But I wanted to talk to you today. I went out this weekend and purchased a new television set. And I'm at Best Buy, and my son's there, and my wife's there, and we're checking out all these different TV sets. And my son pulls it up, the one that's there for sale, and pulls it up on his phone, and he says, "Dad, we can get this online for $400 cheaper." And I said, "Wow!" And and we kind of put a little heat on the salesman and chit-chatted back and forth about that. And the guy goes, "Yeah, you can do that. I can't price match that." Mm-hmm. So anyway, I had to think it through a little bit. But if I had a problem with that TV set, how easy is it to send something back online?
Right. Ends up costing more in the end.
Instead of walking it back down to Best Buy and having somebody that I can deal with face to face. And so in the mortgage lending industry, there's a lot of online lenders. You see Rocket Mortgage and all kinds of different ones that out there purporting to be able to do amazing things. Why should somebody use a local lender like you, where they can come in and sit down and can have a face-to-face conversation?
Well, there's a reason why our motto is live, lend, local. A lot of people want to come in and deal with somebody face to face. If there's a problem, things get taken care of quicker. You can call me up and always count on me being there, getting it done without trying to chase 20 people down over the telephone that you don't know.
Yeah, I know over the years recently with online lenders, I've had some clients who chose to go with online lenders, and they were always frustrated because when there was a problem, it's amazing how the lender never picked up their phone. And it was a difficult transaction. And I know with local lenders, you can always walk into the office. Now, one reason I love working with you is you always return your phone calls, whether it's good or bad news. But if need be, you can actually walk into your office and either talk to you or talk to Mark Waggy, the manager, and get some results that you need.
Exactly. And in this kind of market, everything is crunch time. You're out on the weekend, you're writing offers. You need that pre-approval letter right now. You know how to track me down. You're pretty good at that.
That's true. I do. So what are rates at right now?
So rates, actually, they've come down a little bit this week. We've got some interesting things happening in the market. It's just been up and down, and really hovering right around 4.875 on a 30-year conventional, around 4.75 for FHA, VA.
VA. Good, good. Well, again, I'm Terry Rasmussen with the Rasmussen Group at John L. Scott Real Estate. Here with me,
Tamara Rogers, Willamette Valley Bank.
That's right, and we want to thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.